Craig. I am so excited to get this year started and get to know each and every one of you as we go along. This year's going to be a little bit different. Some of you are going to be here at Southwest learning with us in our classroom, and some of you are going to be at home learning right along with us. No matter where you are always part of our team. So, you're probably wondering, who is this Mrs. Craig? Well, let's take a look. Here are some pictures of things and people that are important to me. That first picture is a picture of myself and Mr. Craig. And the middle picture is a picture of my 4 children. Yes, I said 4 children. There are 5, though. The girl in the middle in the white is going to marry into our family next summer, and that is their dog, Theo. And the picture on the right is a very important person in the Craig house. That is our pug, Roxy, which you'll hear a lot more about as the year goes on. We are going to start with supply drop-off on Tuesday, August 11th from 4 to 6. It's going to be very similar to the car line when the car line comes around in front of the building, and you're going to have the opportunity to drop off your school supplies and to meet me. And I can meet you. So make sure your supplies are labeled, put them in a bag with your name on it in your class so that they know which classroom it's going to go to, and hopefully we'll get a chance to meet on that Tuesday. If you're a student who is learning from home, you can still come through the supply drop-off line. I would love to get the opportunity to meet you and to say hi. Here's a picture of our classroom this year. Look, it's clean, it's ready, your desks are ready to go, but it's a very lonely classroom. It's waiting for you. You're the ones that are going to fill it up, and we're going to have so much fun learning in this classroom this year. Couple things are going to be different when you come back to Southwest this year. The first thing is our water fountains are going to be turned off, except for the bottle filling station. So if you have a water bottle at home, which I know many of you do, you can bring that water bottle to school and we'll fill it there. Please make sure your name is on it though, so if it gets misplaced or it's found somewhere, we know who it belongs to. Another change this year is going to be masks. We are all going to wear masks. Why? Because we're going to keep each other safe. So, you will probably come to school in a mask, but I know with my mask, sometimes it gets wet or dirty. You might want to have 1 or 2 extra masks in your book bag. Please make sure your name is on your mask in case we find it. We can make sure it gets back to you. Couple of technology pieces. We have a class blog. You're welcome to hop on there and start looking around. We're also going to be using Seesaw this year, and those login codes will be coming home to families in the first few days of school. If you're not sure what Seesaw is, there is a YouTube video that you can link into to watch as well. Transportation. Since we will not have the opportunity to talk at back to school night, I will not know what mode of transportation your son or daughter is going to be using. So if you would take just a few minutes and shoot me an email, I put my email address there. Let me know if your child's going to be a walker, a car rider, a bus rider, or if they're going to go to SAFE. Now, I know as a parent myself that our transportation sometimes changes, which is not a problem. You can jot me a note in the assignment notebook, you can email me, you can call the school office, and we can get those changes made very, very easily. Contacting me. Right here is my email address and our school phone number. Please do not ever hesitate to call or email me. We are on the same team, and together we're going to make your child the best that they can be. So, with that being said, 3rd grade, let's rock and roll. I will see you Thursday, August 13th. Whether it's virtually or in person, I can't wait.